Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Sauk County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near moving east at 45 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. There have been numerous reports of tree and power line damage across southwestern Wisconsin with the storms. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Spring Green, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Argyle, Blanchardville, Barneville, Wheeler, Blue Mounds, Highland, Arena, Plain, Ridgeway, Avoca, Orion, Linden, and New Diggings. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Hydes Mill, the House on the Rock, and Iowa Grand School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.